Hi, this is Mayor Walter Sendzik. We have council tonight. It's February 1st, so this is the next edition of the Mayor's Report. You can check us out live on YouTube at the St. Catharines channel, or you can watch the live stream and repeat editions over the next little while. In terms of COVID-19 and what you've seen in our community, there has been a downward trend in active cases, which is great to see. We're starting to see the flattening of the curve, if you will, and we want to really drive those numbers down. So I just want to say thank you for all those who have been making a difference in our community, staying home, limiting your physical contact, wearing a mask, keeping that distance, and washing your hands. Unfortunately, we've also seen an increase in the number of deaths due to COVID-19. There's been over 300 since March of last year, and this is a sobering reminder of how serious this virus is. Our continued condolences to the families who have lost someone and never had an opportunity to grieve with close friends and families. There has been a rapid increase in the second wave, and we need to ensure that we are all following the public health orders in order to protect everybody in our community. So again, continue to wear the mask, wash the hands, go out for essential items only, stick to your household, and keep that physical distancing. We're looking to the province on February 9th, where they're going to be giving us indication of what further steps could be taken, or how do we open our economy in different ways. But it's great to see so many people walking this past weekend out on the trails, getting really that mental health part of it, which is so important. So continue to do that, continue to look after yourself as we wait for further news about the vaccine rollout in our community. Speaking of vaccines, the City of St. Catharines has partnered with Niagara Health to open up a COVID-19 vaccination clinic for healthcare workers at the Seymour Hanna Sports and Entertainment Center. That starts February 17th, and the hospital will continue to focus on first and second doses of Pfizer vaccine for healthcare workers, including long-term care and high-risk retirement home staff and essential caregivers and Niagara Health staff and physicians. The large space allows them to maximize physical distancing efforts and vaccinate more people each day. The hospital's clinic is separate from other mass vaccination planning that will be taking place, which is being coordinated by public health and is not yet in operation. There are currently no public vaccination clinics in Niagara for residents, but please be patient. We need to support the highest risk individuals first, as per the provincial strategy. I also want to thank the team at City of St. Catharines and Niagara Health for their efforts to collectively set up this partnership at the Seymour Hanna complex. And speaking of the task force, the Vaccine Task Force is a new coordination effort undertaken by the region with a number of experts in different fields. Their efforts will set the stage for an unprecedented collaborative effort that will provide critical input to the extended rollout of vaccines here in Niagara. The task force, struck by Chair Jim Bradley and chaired by Dr. David Deck, brings together a wide range of voices in an advisory role to help ensure public health-led vaccine efforts is secure, fair, and transparent. Recent reductions in supply have led to some delays in vaccinations, but the government says the timeline of vaccinating everyone by September remains on track. And we are working collectively as a group of elected officials here in Niagara to be ready, so our community is able to respond and we're able to receive our fair share of those doses as they arrive. And we want to make sure that we're continuing to ensure that our community is as protected as any other community here in Ontario. So we're going to keep advocating on your behalf. In terms of some upcoming community events, Community Care, you can join me live on Insta Live tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. for Toque Tuesday. Look outside today, it's snowing, so everyone should be wearing your toques. You can order your toque or mask at raisingtheroof.org. So I hope you tune in. We'll have Betty Lou Suter will be talking about what Raise the Roof does to help prevent homelessness in our community. Also, Start Me Up Niagara has the coldest night of the year, which is a virtual walk in any neighborhood through any day in February. You can sign up at startmeupniagara.ca. All funds raised go to Start Me Up Niagara and raise funds to support their programs, including housing, employment, food, and mental health services. It's a great organization. Again, you can do it any time of the month. This is Black History Month, and today is February 1st. It's the start of Black History Month. Take this opportunity to honor the contributions of Black Canadians that have been made in our country and here in St. Catharines. We have a rich history. The City of St. Catharines and the Museum and Welland Canal Centre is celebrating Black History Month in February with special virtual tours and lectures. To register, contact museum@stcatharines.ca and check out their website for a full list of events taking place throughout the month. And you can also visit my website, mayorsenzik.ca, for some information on our rich Black history here in our community. Spring is around the corner, and Community Gardens the city is accepting applications for community gardens funding. Charities and not-for-profit groups can apply for funds to cover half of the startup, including soil, seeds, lumber, a whole bunch of stuff that goes into community gardens. The application deadline is March 10th, so if you have a community garden in your area that you want to see come to life, that's a great opportunity. As well, Love STC is an opportunity to support businesses. Check out Love STC in terms of promotions for this month. This month's promotion is Taste the World. You can visit lovestc.ca to sign up for more info. Many businesses are offering unique takeout and curbside services, so feel free to check out and support our local businesses who are going through some significant challenges through this second wave and through this current shutdown. So we're in a lockdown. I just want to say take care. We'll be looking for more information coming from the provincial government. We want to get kids back into schools. We want to get our businesses back open. And at the same time, we want to make sure that we're protecting everybody in our community. So until the next time, take care.